All right, welcome back to the channel. If you haven't already subscribed, hit the subscribe button. We're back out at our 40-unit apartment complex that we bought in October of 2023 for $2.3 million. We went out, we found a client that had a business where they gave military housing, short-term, long-term kind of corporate housing. We did a $2 million renovation to suit them, and we're back now checking on it. What I want to show you guys today is the 3 security upgrades that we've put in this apartment complex since we finished and since they moved in, and show you how they're working. Let's go take a look at them. All right, the first security upgrade we did was our Sentry, our secured entry. Big 6-figure amazing gates all around the place with incredible access system. I'm gonna show you guys exactly how it works.
Access granted.
Check it out. The people that stay in this complex can pull up, open this, and it closes behind them. When they go into their apartment, they have a sense of, secure, awesome, all right? Security fencing at your apartment complex is the first one we did. We're a little weary about it because of the massive 6-figure cost, but it absolutely turns this place into a Class A space. Let's go look at the second security upgrade we've done to this apartment complex. Security upgrade number 2, since we bought this place almost 2 years ago, we came in and absolutely inundated the place with security cameras. 32 channel system, 16 cameras deployed. You can see them right over my shoulder here. You saw them out there at the gate entry system. They're around the entire complex. Locks are only in place to keep honest people out, right? Cameras are there to catch everything that you don't see, okay? So we love the cameras in place. That way, if something's missing or something happens, someone's car gets broken into, you can go back and look. The number one reason to have security cameras is thieves look up and see them, and it's a super deterrent, right? Great investment, great expense. Add some security cameras to your apartment complexes. Hey, the third security feature I want to talk about in this video is something we did to the common areas. This is an enclosed space with one tenant. It's a massive military type unit that uses this for corporate housing or really close to a military base. But we still wanted to secure the common areas. In here, we've got like pool tables and TVs, workstations, office space for the tenants and the residents here to use. We added these really nice touch screen locks, right, that create all kinds of codes. Codes for the maintenance guy, codes for the tenants, codes for the employees, and it's actually Wi-Fi'd back to an app that shows you when it was open, how many times it opened, and what code it opened, okay? That coupled with the security cameras gives all the residents here just a sense of security that makes everybody want to stay and renew that lease, and that's what's most important. So that's it, right? Those are our top 3 security features that we've added to this complex since we bought it about 18 months ago. Tenants are happy, everyone's paying rent. The place looks absolutely gorgeous. I mean, the grounds are spectacular, the dog park, look at the outdoor eating pavilion. We absolutely love it. So proud of this project, so proud of everybody that worked on it. I'm proud to own it, and I really hope that the tenants enjoy it and stay here for a long time. I'll see you guys on the next video. As always, please subscribe, hit that like button, drop a comment below about any videos that you'd like to see or any questions about this video. See you guys soon.